Welcome back to the channel. It's time to organize using the Container Store. We're in the Container Store today to try to find an organizer. Now they have built sets that you can organize with, and they already pre-boxed with just the right sizes, as you can see on the box. You can do those, or you can pick your own and build it from scratch. Here are the containers that I'm looking at today. They come in 4 different sizes, and they also have 3 different heights. They have the 4 tier, 7 tier, and of course the tallest one they have is the 10 tier. I thought that my container was taller, so I got the 10 tier. When I got home, I realized how much I was off. But that's okay, I still was able to utilize it anyway. Here's the section where you can just build it yourself and, just go whatever is comfortable with you. There's the 45-inch, which is the medium one I'm going to take, and then there's the 10-inch, which I thought I had the tallest one. And then they come in gray, they come in the silver, as well as white. I'm going to stick with the metal gray. I picked out the ones I wanted, and now I'm going to go home and try to put this together. Here is what I'm going to be replacing. It's just sitting on one of those Walmart brand plastic containers, and it's kind of dented up in the middle, and then it's got a few of my sewing items in there. So I need to replace it because, one, I don't like the way that's looking, and I want it better organized. We're going to be using the Alpha Medium 10 tier kit, and I've got worker Chris here to help me with doing this. My folded pat holder, and then bead it on there. This will keep from breaking the metal.
A little more.
See?
That should be it. I heard it click, yeah.
All right, and you want to do that to both sides.
Let me make sure this one click. See, you got me making videos. Uh-oh.
And dropping stuff too.
Okay. Now I'm hoping that we can get the feet in there. Uh-oh. I'm going to do one side at a time.
Okay, so now I've got feet to go on the bottom of mine so I can roll it around. Now you want to take this piece here, which is right here, and you'll put it on the bar and then mallet it in, and then you're going to add the wheel to it and mallet it inside of there. And it gives you a little idea of how it's going to look. It comes with 4 wheels and 4 of these holders. And as you can see, I'm going to put it right there. Here, this is how it goes on. Show me the inside and show that. And you see the loop in, is that in? Since we don't have a mallet. And listen for the click. And then next thing you know, you're going to put
Is that right?
the wheel in.
Yeah. You got a little lip.
Mm-hmm.
So when both of those hit, that's it. Go ahead.
You need a manicure.
Dude, that ain't go in the video.
Yeah, it is.
Make sure it's flush. Let me look down here. Oh, see, I didn't have it flush. Oh, wait a minute. Nope, I gotta go like this. Come on. It's gotta be flush. Okay. Keep it straight. There we go. That's it.
And
Yep,
now it's in. These are the Alpha back pins used to stop the tray from going all the way to out the other side when you push it in. Pins because once you put the drawers in, as you can see, they slide all the way out and all the way in this side. And you don't want that. So you put the pin in.
You can do that, right?
And okay, so the pin is in, and now it won't go any further. I suggest putting some tape on it This is what I did in my other one I made. So that way it won't accidentally get slammed. So that is the Alpha cabinet. It's the medium size. We got 4 runners. And this is the 10 one. So that's 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 5 and 6, which means I have 4 more that I can slide in there. So there's like 1 there, 1 there, that's 2, and 1 there. So, all right. Hopefully you understood how this went. It was pretty simple.
It was.
And it's definitely easy to do. Thank you, Alpha. Easy trick in case you forget to buy the pins. The containers come with a little thing to keep them from clicking. If you leave that on there and put it on the string, when you go back, it does the same thing as the back pins. Okay, so I started loading my Alpha container, and as you can see, I got a lot of room left. Okay, so that container right there, this is everything that was in it, minus just a couple of things, but I still got room. So looks like I've created another spot for makeup. Oh, yes I did. So it did become really tall, so I'm gonna have to stick it over there in that corner right there, and it fits perfectly. I'm just still trying to build it here, so I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, so here is my completed Alpha medium-sized shelf. It is the 10 tier one. It is the tallest one they have. And I managed to get my sewing machine on top. They do have the shelving, what is this called, top that you can put on the container. So that's why I'm able to put my sewing machine there. Then I was able to find room to add makeup. More makeup. These are the plastic containers that they have lids. I wanted to have a lid on my makeup for some reason, especially with my brushes in there. More makeup. And then, of course, there's the sewing stuff. So it actually gave me a lot of room. And here's the space that it takes up. Very cool. All right, so if you get a chance, just check them out, The Container Store. You can get them online. And you know what? Tweet them your project. They'll give you ideas even on Twitter and Instagram. Yes, they will. So this is your girl, SJ. Just want to share this with you all. With real beauty, real food, and real life. Hopefully you've seen something in this video that made a difference to you. Please comment below. And if you're not subscribing, hit the subscribe. And please take time out and like this video. Thank you very much.